Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there, and welcome, Gary. Always a pleasure to have you.
Great to be here. Let's get at it.
We got it. We have a man on the street question up first.
Hey Gary, what happens if I get sued? And do I need to hire a lawyer?
It's a good question because I think that's what troubles people sometimes. You know, we usually know when something's happening. If you've had a wreck or you have a dispute that's going on, so you know what's going on, you know, so it's not going to be a surprise generally. If you get sued, if it's a wreck kind of or a liability situation, it's usually because negotiations have broken down with the insurance company, or the lawyer got to it late. I mean, maybe the people weren't going to do anything and they hired a lawyer late and they didn't have any choice but to file suit. But if you get sued, you turn it over to your insurance company. I mean, that's what you hire them for. But I want to talk about is this. The insurance company is not named in the lawsuit. And so you'll say, well, why aren't they? If they're going to be responsible, why aren't they named? Or if you're a juror and you're sitting in the box, go, well, where's Allstate or State Farm or whoever's lawyer, or where are they? Why aren't they here? Well, they are there because what it really comes down to is the liability or responsibility of the person who caused the change in somebody's life. So the insurance company hires a lawyer for you. You don't pay for your own lawyer. They're supposed to act in your own best interest to make decisions based on what's best for their client, even though they're paid by the insurance company. So they will stand there and say, I'm here on behalf of Mo, but they can't talk about insurance. So don't be surprised by that, and just turn it over. They take care of it. There are times when you'll need a lawyer, but your insurance company lawyer ought to tell you that. If you see a lawyer from Atlanta who's down here representing a case, it's usually been signed by the insurance company if they're on the defense side. But it's a good question.
Yeah, very good, yes. Now we have kind of a topic, and this has come up. It seems to take a long time for cases to go to trial. Why is that?
All right. Well, what is the process, I guess, is what we're talking about there. So the process generally is discovery. That's what holds us up. So you file a lawsuit, you get 30 days to answer. And then once you file an answer, then you get time to actually send written questions, then you get to take depositions, then you get to interview people, you have to put evidence together, all that takes time. You get at least 6 months for that. And then you get on a list of cases with a court that says there'll be a trial. And then you go down the list. So it takes a while. Our courts are messed up. The courthouse is messed up here in Columbus right now, but it generally just takes a while to get reached.
Oh,
so
very good.
That'll impact it.
Yes, thank you so much, Gary. Send your questions. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.